Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another volatility index strategy. Okay, so this is a scalping strategy. You can use this strategy to scalp the volatility 75 index market and all other volatility index market. Okay, this strategy, you can use it on any volatility index strategy. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy, and then I will explain how you can trade with this strategy. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. So after clicking on the F icon, you are going to be clicking on this plus icon, the main window plus icon. Then you search for moving average, which is our first indicator. So these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to its close. Alright, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make the color green and you make it 2 pixel. Alright, after that you click on done. Your green moving average will be added to your chart. Alright, so the next indicator we have here is the MACD. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this first plus icon again, then you search for your MACD. Alright, so these are the properties for the MACD. Fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, applied to is close. Alright, after that, the time frame, you set it to all time frame. The main, you make it the color of your background. Use 1 pixel for it. Alright, now the signal, you make it 3 pixel, you make the color red. Right, after that you click on done. The MACD will be added to your chart. Right, now the next indicator we have here is moving average. So after adding the MACD, you are going to have indicator window 1 being formed. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon for the indicator window 1 before adding your moving average. Okay, so after clicking on that, you search for moving average. And these are the properties for the moving average. You make the period 1, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicator starter, right, the last one here. Okay, after picking that, the level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now under the style, you make the color green, you make the pixel 3. All right, after that you click on done. You are done with the moving average. The last indicator here is relative strength index. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon here again, then you search for your relative strength index. So these are the properties for it. The period is 1, applied to its close. Level, you make it 85 and 15, right, 85 and 15. The style, you make the color red and you make the pixel 3 pixel. After that you click on done. Now this style, the style here, you make it the color of your background. You use 1 pixel for it. After that you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly as mine, you are going to have a screen like this. Okay, so before I explain how the strategy work, all right, I want to quickly remind you guys about the coming class which I'll be hosting on my Telegram channel. Okay, so if you have not yet joined the channel, please do make sure you check the description of this video and join. Okay, it's a free beginners class where I'll be teaching you guys how to trade the forex market from the basics to the advanced level. All right, so that is all for that. And again, in case you have already know how to trade, okay, in case you have the knowledge about forex trading already but you are not yet profitable, all right, I also have a profitable boom and crash strategy. All right, and with this strategy you'll be able to grow even as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, you check the description. Also you see my contact there, my WhatsApp contact. Okay, message me on WhatsApp and let's talk about the strategy. Okay, let me share with you how the strategy works. Okay, so if you're interested in the strategy, you check my description. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact, so make sure you message me. It's a powerful strategy, a VIP strategy. Okay, so if you are interested in getting it, make sure to DM me. All right. So with that being said, now how does this strategy work? It's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, as you can see right now, we are in the higher time frame. This is 1 hour precisely, but you can still go higher. You can use the 4 hours for your analysis. Okay, so now this is how you are to go about this. Before trading, you go to the higher time frame to confirm the trend of the market. All right, so in this case, you are going to be using the indicator for our analysis. All right, but you are going to be doing it on the higher time frame before going to the lower time frame to take your entry. All right, so here now on the 1 hour time frame, this is the condition you need to take note of before taking any entry. First of all, you want to see that this green line here and the red line, they are both at the 85 level, at the overbought level here. All right, so once you have confirmed this, the next thing to do is that you want to see this green line cross below the red. All right, so once you see that crossing happening at the higher time frame, all right, what you have to do is to quickly run down to the lower time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is a scalping strategy. You are not meant to hold trade for long. Okay, you just go in and you get out quickly, quick money. Okay, so now you go down to the 1 minute time frame. This is how you have to go about it. So now you can see this is where the crossing happened on the 1 hour time frame. All right, now you are going to look for same condition as the 1 hour time frame here on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so now you see that price was crossing the 1 hour down to like price, and the trend was changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, right? So now here on the 1 minute time frame, what you have to do is that you want to get that same condition. Like you want to see these two indicators get to the oversold level, right? We are only looking for sell condition alone, right? Sell condition alone. Okay, so what you have to do here now is that you want to look for sell opportunity only. Okay, so now you need same condition as the higher time frame, right? So now you want to see that price has gotten to the oversold level. All right, don't use all those kind of this thing. You can see that it's fluctuating. All right, this kind of ones like this, they are not good to take trade with. Okay, they are not reliable because they are fluctuating, they are not strong. All right, so you look for a strong condition like this one. Now you can see it's not fluctuating. You can see that it's at the oversold level. All right, so these are the one you look out for taking trade with. Okay, so now once you see this crossing, all right, you need also you need to also see a crossing on the main chart here. Also you need to see a crossing here on the main chart. All right, so now but right here price did not cross. All right, it did not cross the green candle on the main chart, so you are going to wait for the crossing to happen. All right, and this is where the crossing happened, and the proper place to place your stop loss is going to be at the most recent structure. All right, which is going to be at the top of this area here, right? It's going to be at the top of this area, and your entry is going to be when that candlestick break below the green line. All right, you want to see a candlestick break below the green line and close below it. All right, so after getting this entry, you are going to hold till this indicator here gets to the oversold level, which is the 15 level. Okay, and the indicator you are going to be monitoring is the red one. All right, the green one will get to there faster, but you monitor the green one. So once the red one gets to the 15 level, that is when you exit the market. All right, so as you can see, it eventually went down, and here you are going to make massive profit. All right, quick profit. All right, and that is how you go about it. All right, so remember, you are going to be doing your analysis from the higher time frame. and you are not to hold for long. Okay, you don't have any reason to hold this trade for long. Okay, so once it breaks below, once the green line crosses below the red one, all right, you go down to the 1 minute time frame. You are going to look for same condition. You want to see that this green line also, this green and red line also get to the overbought level, and you see the green cross below the red, right? So once that crossing happen, that is when you take your entry. Okay, once the crossing happen, you're also going to confirm it, right, on the main chart. You want to see price break and close below the green line, then you take your entry. All right, you take your entry and hold till it gets to the 15 level. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I think that is all for this one, guys. That is all for this one. All right, with this simple strategy, with these simple examples, I'm sure that you guys understand how the strategy work. So I think this is where I'll be drawing the curtain now, guys. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to go and backtest the strategy. Okay, make sure you backtest the strategy, test it out for yourself and see if it's working before you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, it's a scalping strategy and you don't need to hold for long. Okay, don't do the mistake of holding for long. All right, so guys, that is all. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. The zoom level, you have to use the second zoom level. Okay, zoom out completely and zoom in 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. See you out.